In this video, I want to talk about how you can return goods inside of Temu. Now to do this, you want to use the website or just use the app, and you want to head over to your orders. Inside of here, you want to find the order that you want to return, click on it, and there will be a button called refund/return. Then inside of there will be some instructions on how you can return it. Now simply follow these instructions and you will be able to return it, but keep in mind usually there are some requirements. Now I don't remember all of the requirements, but some of them are like you need to return it in the same condition as when you got it, and you need to return it within 2 weeks after you start your return order, and also you need to return it within, I believe, 3 months after purchasing the item. Now, it's different from each item, but it will show you inside of there, once you go in there, what the requirements are. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.